like a cheerleader. Toxic bitch, shit.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm making a quick tutorial here today because, well, I'm not gonna lie, a Great Chaos came out, the deluxe, and I don't know, it got me inspired. It got me wanting to make tutorials again. And so I'm making a tutorial based on the effect that you see in Osama's freestyle music video, where it shows like a mirror effect between clips, and I'm just gonna show y'all that right now. Okay, first off, you have your clip. What you're gonna wanna do is click on your clip, right click, and go to pre-compose. After that, in that pre-composition, you wanna go up here to composition settings, and whatever your width is, you're gonna want it divided by 2. So I need to uncheck this so it doesn't lock my aspect ratio. So 1920, I think that's like 970. No, it's 960. Yeah, it's 960. And then you press OK. So you see if you want to change anything. If not, keep it how it is. I'm gonna keep it how it is, and I'm gonna go back to my original comp. After that, you're gonna want to press position and move this to whichever way you want to. I'm just gonna move it this way, try to get it. I think that works for me. Right there. And then you're gonna add this effect that's free called a motion tile. And after that, you want to click mirror edges, and then for output width, you want to crank this up until it fills the screen. And there we go. We have a mirror effect just like in Osamason's freestyle music video.